Today's Tuesday. It's cool 67 degrees out. Slight wind blowing, as you can tell by the clouds moving. You're with Pro Performance Pressure Washing and Non-Pressure Roof Cleaning today. Today we're going to give a little demonstration on how we do our non-pressure roof cleaning with our customized telescopic wand. Not a lot of people like using this, but we like it just because it's quick and friendly and easy to adjust. Now we do spray a decent pattern of chemical. Everyone asks how we do roofs so quick. Well, it's because we know what we're doing and many years of experience, 17 plus to be exact. We can do an 1,800 square foot home in less than an hour. That includes a complete spray and rinse and water of the landscape. We run our chemicals to the proper mixture that works for us. Other companies may run a little different. We do have 2 plant technicians that we keep that do all our landscape to make sure there's no damage caused. We do not like covering plants just due to the fact where we've seen damaged plants due to heat during the middle of the summer, having a greenhouse effect, causing everything to wilt. We've seen excessive water weight fall off the roof during a rinse, break and crush leaves. Customers weren't happy. Here you can see that we have done this section of the roof pretty quickly and how efficient it is. What spots are still left to be cleaned that are dirty and others that have already taken effect. Now I have sprayed some stuff up here in the front. Like I said, it's about 67 degrees outside. And you can see how quick it works. We'll go ahead and treat this roof and then we'll go ahead and rinse it. Customer's always happy. Give Pro Performance Pressure Washing and Non-Pressure Roof Cleaning a call today at 813-477-4507 and join our 100% satisfaction guaranteed customer list. We service over 800 roofs a year in the Florida area. We're looking forward to hearing from you.